became very sensitive to noises. But I have no idea when it started. They even have a term for this type of syndrome. It's called hypersensitive hearing. So I always stayed at home to escape from the noises of the modern city. The car horns, the never-ending gibberishes on the train, the tickings of the traffic lights. But staying at home is not a permanent way out. My body told me it needs some stretching. So I walked down the streets. The sudden car braking just freaked me out. The last time I went out was about a month ago. The food roll has almost run out. It seems like I need to go to the supermarket. Unsurprisingly, a new construction site was on the schedule again. That goddamn drilling drove me insane. Finally, the supermarket. I'll just grab what I need and then go home. Susan's the only friend of mine. She just asked me out for a movie. I really don't want to because, I hate the crowds and the speakers in the theatre. But she's standing right in front of my door right now. So, I guess I have to.